Paul.
Good morning, Mr. Trump.
So you're going to teach me something today. I'm going to try doing your job. It's not going to be Let's go get a guest. How are you? Did you enjoy your stay?
I did. Thank you so much.
Yeah, well, that's what I said. Look at this, right? You didn't expect this, right?
Not expecting
Black bird inside. Did you like this inside? For you? I always got to tell you, Here you go, man. Thank you very much. It's the first time I've played lunch for anybody, including myself, in a long time. It's been a long time. But it was fun. Delightful for Bellman and then working in a hotel. It's never easy. Good job. We have a doggy park at the hotel, and I'm going to take it for a little walk. I'm going to tell you I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, good. Come on, we'll go over. Shouldn't have, but it worked out. Hello, everybody. Hey, Andy. How are you? Nice to see you. I'm going to help you.
First, give you an appropriate vest.
Okay.
You look like us, please. Put that nice flower.
Very nice. Now let's. What happens if somebody like me wants to take a bite out of the burger before I bring it to the room? Is that acceptable?
It's not a good idea. It's not
Not good?
acceptable.
Ready? Come on, let's go, Andy. Room service. Look at this. This is serious room service. I hope you give me a nice big fat tip. Have a good time. Hello, Mia.
Good morning, Mr.
How are
Trump.
you?
Always a pleasure.
Nice to see you again.
So you're gonna
huh?
help me do housekeeping
I am.
today?
Am I going to change this again?
Yes.
Let's
this
go. Very nice, Mia.
Okay, so first we're gonna start off with the bed.
Okay.
So first you wanna pull the cover up so we have it kind of tight.
Right. Good.
So next, Mr. Trump, I'm gonna need you to vacuum.
Okay. So where's the little release? Wow. So there's a little piece of lint. Now it's gone. You're great.
So now we're gonna go to the bathroom so I can
Oh,
get
I'm not
to
into
the
bathrooms, man.
sinks.
I don't know if I could ever do that
Yes,
job.
you can.
Only sinks, right? Okay.
First, spray the sink.
Okay. Okay. I like that. I like this job, Mia.
Oh, then maybe you should come help me all the time.
Well, these are 4 jobs that I've never done before, and they're tough. You have to be sharp, you have to be smart, you have to get along with the people, and it's hard work, not easy, but you love it, right?
Yes.
She's fantastic. Thank
Thank
you very much
you.
for doing such a
Thanks.
great job. I'm your apprentice.
and
You know
I'm
that,
hired, right?
You're hired.